Alright, part 2. Bitches. Kidding. Part 2 is the epic gamer part. Oh yeah, I gotta give him like rare candies. And like rare candies are not even the optimal way to do it because I don't get EVs from it. So like, you'd rather do it on wild Pokemon, but like, so it's not like rare candies give me some like benefit. It just means I don't have to spend like 2 hours grinding. You know, which just isn't fun. And like, the other thing about grinding is that like, some people argue that it's like, oh, it's just like you're just like getting past like you're gonna, it's like that's the best part to struggle. It's like, no. If I wanted to grind, I could technically just do it in the weakest grass for 3 hours, and that's just not fun. Yeah. I like talking to these two because they add music, they add instruments to this. Which I think is really cool. I think it's a really cool aspect to this. That's like a really cool touch. I love that. I wish other Pokemon games did that, because no other Pokemon game does that except this one. I think the first gym is like 17 for the cat. Oh my god. I like move slightly, my mic goes like, nope! I'll share my Pokeballs. Oh yeah, I also randomized field items. He's like, come here. Get your ass over here. I assume that this is the truth. No truth to what I'm saying. Pokemon, and when I say like search Pokemon frequency, we appreciate your attention. Now, I kind of like this with the little formation they have. Like you can see the thing they spell over there. It's kind of a little subtle thing. I like it. Oh, he has a Pelipper. Oh, it's level 8. Shit. Oh, like, what? Oh, that's bad. Oh, Iceland's dead. Iceland's very dead. Holy shit. Oh, rip. No, Iceland. Well, fuck. Well, Iceland's dead. He had a good run. He lasted a total of 5 minutes. He went to his first battle and immediately got clapped. Like, holy shit, bro. Dragon Pulse? Okay, though. Flipper's going hard. Flipper's facing a Reshiram. Flipper's is the Reshiram. I'm scared. Oh, well. Chalk that up to the death counter. Dude, Iceland lived for holy shit, more Iceland. Okay, well, Iceland's dead. So we just gotta get a new friend. We gotta get a new country. We didn't like stinky old Iceland anyway. We're back to Zimbabwe. That's all we need. Didn't need Iceland or any other country. All we need is Zimbabwe. I need to talk to you. I've been running this whole time. She's been sprinting. Yeah. New Pokemon. Give me new Pokemon. Let it be, like, amazing. Okay, PP up, that's really nice. Oh, that's sick. I don't know if that can take a hyper voice. I also don't know if this will get into normal Pokeball at full health. Yeah, no, I don't have to use hyper voice once. Okay, it has rage powder. That's kind of bad, but whatever. They have rage powder. Oh, I guess the only country we need is Zimbabwe. So far, batting 0 for 2. Basically batting 0 for 2 right now. Like, I knew Hyper Voice was gonna kill, but I was like hoping Beyond Culture wouldn't. Yeah, shiny swords required. I'm gonna avoid the other trainer. Just until I get more Pokemon. I'm gonna avoid training encounters until I get the other Pokemon. Artist Antoinette. She's down here. Oh, that would have been cool. Probably would have died to Hyper Voice though. I'm not clicking run. Hold on. That's the wrong order again. soft sand. That's nice. A Grisiasaur. Okay, so if I somehow get Giratina, I can get the Giratina forms. You can't use cut. Oh fuck! I have to fight Bianca. I forgot about that. She has 2 Pokemon. Well, this could be it. Son of a bitch. Okay, that's fine. There's a snap. Yep. I'm gonna have to struggle with that. Mist ball. Okay, that's not good. Why is everyone else's moveset on crack except for mine? Oh, you sack of shit, Bianca. I might actually run out of Hydro Voice. That's like the worst situation. Wow. Okay, so I'm just getting fucked on all sides apparently. My luck is great. My luck is great. Oh, she still has to ground on with Ice Punch. Okay. Cool. I think I can win. As long as it doesn't crit. Don't freeze me. Oh? Oh, I live on 1? Okay. Let's go. we won the rifle fight on 1 health. We did it. I'm so good at this game. You don't even know. You don't even know. I'm just a god. I'm just that much of a god gamer. I'm just that good at Pokemon. I'm just that good at Pokemon. All I did was click Hyper Voice. I'm just that good. Oh, you still can do Dust Ball. Scarf. I don't think that does anything. It's just a pretty scarf. The run isn't over yet. I get my monkey, whatever it turns into, it'll probably be like a Caterpie or something. Just to really mess with me. But I need it, and I need it badly. Just gotta beat 2 trainers for it. Oh, no, that's fine. I'm really hoping for no ghost types, otherwise I think it's fun. Otherwise, I'm just speeding it up, and we're just going. Oh, she's level 10. Oh shit. Yeah, she's really high level. Okay. Does that have my health? Oh shit, I might over level. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I can't catch anything with this one. Alright, I gotta hope the next one is like something that can like carry it on its own. Because that Grom is getting way too high level. I'm like hoping it's something like good. Like just solid on its own. Because I really need it. Fuck. Well, I think I'm definitely overlooking this guy. Sandstream Railroad, okay. Alright. Yeah, sound stream and cloud. Good job, buddy. I think he does get more. No, that's not ground types. It's like rock types. It does. Defense buff and sand. It's like rock and steel, right? Oh. I got smoke screen. So don't worry, I have smoke screen. Sableye? I'll take it. It's something. Will you nickname it? Is it like... Is it good? It has moves. It does actually have a water move too, which is fine. It is Dark Ghost, which means it has no weaknesses. Which could be useful. I'll take it. It's something. I have 2 Pokemon. That's all we're gonna get, but you know, that's what we're carrying for Gym 1. 2. Okay. I can beat that. That did nothing. Holy shit. Oh wait, I don't want to set up. I'll be fine. That did nothing. It has. I'm alive? Okay. It has fusion bolts. Okay. That's nice and good move, asshole. You're not allowed to. Home claws? Yeah. Yeah, the text is all bugged out. One berries are nice. I'm gonna save the orange berries for the jam. Fresh water. Oh, he doesn't have that. Can you understand what means what? Can you understand rock, paper, scissors, little Timothy? That did fuck all. Good thing it had this fucking legendary, otherwise I'd be fucked. Oh, it has to take. Oh, goody, you can spam it. Oh, oh, I lose. Oh, I've lost. Okay. Alright, here's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna have to stall it. Alright, I hope you're ready for speed up. We're gonna have to stall this thing out of PvA. Now I wish I had to train that. It just hit every single combat. What is this? It has judgment. I'm fucked, right? Yeah, I lose. I can't win this. Goes out of close combats. Alright, what is my win con? I switched to Britain, and it doesn't, and it spams attack. No, I just auto lose. I think I can't win. I don't think I can win against the soundproof Randomized. Yeah. Because it has aerial at least too, so I can give you an accuracy drop it. dead, right? I can't do it. Right, so I can't hurt it. It did have a close combat, just didn't use it. Alright. That sucks. There is no winning that. Yeah, no. There's no much damage by Kingdom was doing, and now there's no Wincom. That's I guess the Wincom was having Britain be a higher level. That's not the way I could have won, right? No, that was just unfortunate. That was just really unlucky having Isaac Rom only have a sound move. I am going to re-randomize this. I'm going to do it. That was I almost made this too. Almost made it too. Anyway, that's attempt number 2. Woo!